ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। आनन्दभैरवसमारब्धां दक्षिणामूर्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। अवतारस्वरूपिण्ये साक्षात् त्रिपुरसुन्दरी मायम्मा रूपधारिण्ये तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Friends, in last episode we have already discussed how to be in this world, how to do karma, how the karma binds us in this world and all that. In next shloka, Kularnava says, Asha suji vinirbhinnam siktam vishayasarpisha ragadveshanalepakkam mrityurasnadi manavam. This desire, desire is a weapon on that the Vishaya Sukhas, the worldly enjoyments which we fulfill through our indriyas. So all this Vishaya Sukhas are the ghee to roast us by the Mrityu. The Mrityu pounces with this asha and mixes with the ghee, Vishaya Sukhas, and fries in the Agni, the fire of Raga and Dvesha. So, very important teachings of the Tantra. See, Ashahi paramam dukkham, Nirasha paramam sukham. That is what our Shastra says. The desire, even the desire for realization of our own self is also a desire. That simple thought that I have to renounce this world, or I have to achieve the self-realization, that desire is also a desire. Only thing is that is a better desire. So, it is a weapon, asha. That weapon is used by Mrityu, by death, to kill us. The human beings. So, even Buddha says in one place, all sorrow comes from asha. Give up all desires, or surrender your desire at the feet of the Shiva who is in us. That is what last episode also I have told you. That desirelessness that has to come in human mind. And all our sadhanas, what we do, japa, tapa, dhyana, and all these sadhanas, what we do for our spiritual progress, has to distract the desires from our mind. That is why mind is called Sankalpa Vikalpatmika Manaha. Mind will be never quiet. Either it make plans or it removes plans, Sankalpa and Vikalpa. Always something is going, something is coming, something is going, something is coming in the mind. So, how it comes in the mind? Because of the desire is filled in the mind. When the desire is removed from the mind, then the mind will become very quiet, calm. If you go near a tank, water tank, if the water in the tank is wavery and disturbed, you will not see your face in that. But if the desire, if the water is calm, water is quiet, you can see your face like in a mirror. The same way, when the mind is calm and quiet and thoughtless, then you can see the original reflection of your original self. Then only the question is answered, who am I? Who are me? So, if that question has to be answered, then your mind should be desirelessness should come. How to come? Complete concentration on of the mind to the Supreme Self. Mind has to be concentrated there. See, when you are going to one place to another place, when you are going from Bombay to Delhi, the traveling, you need not always has to remember that I am leaving Bombay, I am leaving Bombay, I am leaving Bombay. No. When you reach Delhi, you will understand I have left Bombay. So, the same way, when your mind travels towards an higher goal, upper destination, all the lower vasanas, lower things will leave you and take you to the upper station. That is why in all our spiritual books it is said that positive energy, they had given many forms for positive energy. Either it is static positive energy or kinetic positive energy, or together. Many forms and many names and many mantras, many bijas were given. When you start traveling towards that upper energy or upper form, your lower things will leave you. What are that lower things? This body, bodily pleasures, mind, mentally pleasures, intellect, intellectual pleasures, and all that will leave you, and you will understand that you are the Supreme Self. So in some episode I told you, then mrityu comes when the mind is settled in that supreme self. When mrityu comes, we will not get feared. We will be happy to accept mrityu. Welcome mrityu, come. I am ready to come with you. So otherwise, what happened? People will be sorrow, will be crying before death. Balamscha yauvanastascha vruddhan garbhagadanapi sarvamscha himsade mrityu reva bhutam idam jagat. Not that old people will only die. The old people, young people, even children, even the child in the womb also will be taken by the mrityu. So when a boy was born in this world or a girl is born in this world, we cannot predict that either he will become an engineer, a doctor, or a teacher, or a businessman, or a business girl, or whatever it may be. But we can definitely predict that one day he or she will die. So death is the only definite thing in this world. Death is the only truth in this world. Nobody can forego the death. Jadasya hi dhruvam mrityu, dhruvam janma mradasya cha. This is the universal truth. A person born in United States of America cannot say that I will not die. Or a person who has taken birth in India cannot say that I will not die. Or a thing which is grown in this earth will not say I will not perish. Definitely, whatever is born has to has to die. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshadi, Devata, Bhutachadaya Nashamevānudāvandi tasmāśreya samācharat. Why we talk about human beings? Why we are talking about plants? Why we are talking about animals? Whatever Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha, or you can say Avadara Purushas, Rama, Krishna, Jesus Christ, all have taken birth and died. All the saints have died. So everybody in this world has to go to the face of the death. Sasvarna ashramaachara langhanat dushpratigrahat parastri dhanalobascha nranam ayukshayo bhave. Then how we are spending all the time in our life? We break our varnashrama dharmas. Then we try to earn money through any means. We try to go to any ladies, parastrigamana, and spending all the time for acquiring wealth. We are doing all these things in this life. What for? Finally, what happened? You are traveling towards the mouth of the death. That simple truth you should understand. Whatever you do, you are going to die. When you die, you are going to leave everything what you have earned or possessed in this world. Nothing will come with us.